Hello Sagittarius, this will be your weekly love reading for 16th to 22nd of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Sagittarius, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. So let's start your reading. Seven of Swords, Hierophant, Hanged Man, Four of Cups and Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have the Sun. So first of all, I will tell you that this week will be very intense for you. Okay, so be prepared for this, and I'll tell you about the energies which sign available here. Leo we have, Taurus we have, Pisces we have as a major arcana, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius we have, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces we have. Okay, so these are the signs which present here. So now let's do your reading. Here we have the Sun card. Okay, as the bottom of the deck, and overall energy. So overall energy, the Sun card, that means you will be very happy this week. Okay, maybe you have achieved something spiritually, mentally or physically, whatever, but I can see that you are very happy in your life. Okay, so this is your love reading, so I can say that this is regarding the love situation. You are very happy. Basically, you have found someone which actually resonate in the same frequency with you. Okay, they are vibing the same frequency which you are in. Okay, so you found somebody, but you are seeing that this person has some blockaging kind of energy, maybe from the third party situation or somebody else maybe in the picture. Okay, so here we have Nine of Wands, means there is some blockages. Okay, maybe their family members or whatever the situation is, so you are getting hurt by those words, but still you're happy that this person actually loves you. Okay, they have confronted you, or they have revealed to you that they are in love with you. So Queen of Swords energy is there. So I think that you are being very straightforward towards them as well. You don't show that you have the feelings for them, but still you show that you are very straightforward. You don't be bothered if they will leave you and all. So you are showing them that your face, you don't have any emotions towards them. You are just showing that. Okay, maybe you have. Okay, so death and rebirth is here, so you are just transforming yourself, and I think that's because of that only the Sun card is here. Actually you are transforming yourself, and you are actually realizing that the true happiness, what it is, not true happiness does not come from outside. It comes from inside. Okay, so you realize that actually, so some realization will happen to you. So first card is Seven of Swords. Definitely it's a deception. Okay, it may be a self deception also. So you were having a self deception for most of you, and you were living this moment as a lie. Okay, you were believing something, but that was not true. Okay, so now you are in a very realized kind of energy. Okay, you realize something, and now everything has been revealed to you. The truth has been revealed to you by universe or something. So now you are actually happy because the Sun card is here. So actually in the beginning only you get to know that this person has some deception, and you realize that this person is not the way you are thinking that they are. So that's why you are actually realize that this person is not good enough for you. Okay, you have very clear picture in your mind that what you want to do in your life. Okay, you want to marry somebody who vibe like you. Okay, so maybe this person vibe like you. Okay, but I think that they have hide so some of their feelings, or maybe some things basically from you, which you could have been already been told, but they have not told you before. So you have any you have already have clear picture that you want to be with with those kind of person, that kind of person which can give you that commitment, that true love, as well as a partnership which is very stable, very grounded, and it is a Taurus card. Maybe you are dealing with a Taurus. So you want to settle. You want to settle down. Basically, you want marriage. Actually, traditional marriage, spiritual marriage. Okay. So right now, I guess this person actually, maybe in this week or some in next week maybe, but I can see that this person is offering you that what you want from them. Okay, and that's why this hangman come. Okay, so either they have already offered you this, and or I think this energy is coming this week also. Okay, so hangman is here. That means you are contemplating the situations. Okay, you are taking a new perspective in this situation. Okay, so you are analyzing the offer, if they are good enough or not, if they are actually worth it or not, if they are saying it's right or not, whatever. So this hangman is giving you a new perspective. Okay, so universe is telling you, just don't be in rush, just think about it first, and think about their pros and cons, etc. Then only go forward, otherwise don't go forward. Here we have 4 of cups. So you may be rejecting the offer from them. Okay, so they might have offered you a relationship before, and you have already rejected them. Actually, you getting bored with them because they have past in the past they have already come with that lies and all. So now you are not believing them directly, so you are just giving them a cold shoulder, and you are not interested in their new proposal and all. So I can see that you are just rejecting their offer, but they are actually very nostalgic towards you. They are always thinking about you. You are in their head all over the time. Okay, all over the time you are on their head. Maybe they betrayed you at some point of time, but all this time this person has you in their mind. Okay, so they were thinking about you. Maybe they are your soulmate, and they were actually giving you this deception, but they realize that whatever happened, they want to be they want to give you an apology. Let me pull out outcome card for you. 3 of Pentacles and Judgment. So they want to reconcile. That's true. They want to reconcile. They want to resurrect this already dead relationship. So this person wants to reconcile with you, and so this is the old person only. This person is that who is your ex actually. Okay, so they want to build the true foundation now. Okay, they want to build it in true foundation, and they want to build it right way, and now they will keep you on the pedestal now, and that's their feeling now. Okay, they want to build a relationship now with you. So Queen of Moon Oracle card as an outcome message: peace and unexpected. So unexpectedly something will happen, that maybe this person will come unexpectedly. So be prepared for this. You were not expecting that means this person can come anytime in this week. Okay, so universe is saying that be aware of that, and you should be on peace. Okay, don't lose your peace out of it. Okay, because of this you might have been in a very bad situation before, but universe is saying be in peace, and everything will come at the right place at the right time. Okay, so universe is saying that to you. So this was your reading, Sagittarius. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.